Are you currently having problems with your DeepSeek AI assistant not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix it. So firstly, what I did was that I closed my DeepSeek AI app, and instead I just went into my settings app. So go into your settings app, and now on this page I just scrolled down in here, and then I clicked where it says general. So I clicked on general in here, then I scrolled down once again and I clicked on storage, as you can see. And now we just need to wait for this page to completely load. And when it's done, we can click on the search symbol in the top right corner, as you can see. Just search for DeepSeek in here and then select the app. Now click on Upload App and once again click on Upload App in here, as you can see. Just wait a couple of seconds and click on the blue button here again. Now wait for the app to completely update to the newest version, go back into the app, and hopefully now it's fixed for you as well.